Hello guys, how to fix you can't create an Apple ID at this time error on your iPhone. And this issue, the first workaround is unlock your iPhone first and swipe down and turn on airplane mode. And after some times, turn off airplane mode again and it will establish your network connection and provide a stable network connection. Sometimes incorrect network connection may be a cause of this error. The second workaround is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major type of issue. So you must restart your iPhone and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, unlock your iPhone and tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on again reset and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and tap on reset all settings again and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is tap on settings again and tap on general and here choose software update. Tap on it and update your iPhone with latest iOS update. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of Apple ID login error. The next one more method is launch your Safari browser or Google Chrome browser and log in with your browser. Open any browser and here go to appleid.com and try to log in with Apple ID with your preferred browser. It will definitely log in here and your error will resolve.